Hey guys, what's up? It's Demon, and today we are going to be watching My Little Pony Season 2, Episode 20. Yay! It's about time. Now, I don't know about y'all, but for some weird reason, I'm getting the sneaking suspicion that this episode is going to be about time. So, I don't know. It was just something that randomly popped into my head. I don't know. But seriously though, in previous episodes, it's like they have normal time. Like, I'm pretty sure they use like hours and days and stuff. And quite obviously they use days. I mean, Celestia and Luna, blah, 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 blah. Stuff. But I never actually got like a consistent way of them using time. Like, I think they use moons because of the pilot episodes of season 1, and I'm pretty sure they used it after that quite a bit. But I don't know what they mean as in moons. I mean, like, are we talking moon cycles, or are we like talking like specific stages of the moon that they're looking at, or what? Because I don't know. And I'm hoping that in this episode, no more than that. Okay. Every drop counts, guys. Every drop counts. Anyway, so I'm hoping that we can get an answer to that question in this episode. It's either that or one of the main 6 is going to learn a lesson or do something that we've all been waiting for. Because, it's about time. So, either way, I hope we get something. And, yeah, I'm excited. Oh, and I know that this episode is going to be uploaded later than usual. It was the exact same thing. My computer freakishly decided to update by itself, and it actually went into the settings after, I re-downloaded all the software, which is like a huge pain, by the way. And especially considering that the original link to where I got Sony Vegas, I'll tell you guys at the end, but yeah, this is going to be uploaded later than usual, and I'm sorry for that. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, let me. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
I made it for you, Rarity.
Oh, Spike.
Why, yes, it is an ice cream house.
What? Is that ice cream?
Fudge.
Oh, okay. That sounds horribly impractical, and to be frank, rather messy. And very unclean. Hi, Twilight.
Oh, hi,
What
Spike.
you doing?
It's the middle of the night. Why are you
You
pacing
practicing
like
for the
this?
marathon?
Frankly, I don't know how
Or running
you
up the
can
leaves,
sleep at a
whatever it's
time like
called?
this.
Oh.
3 a.m.?
It's awful. It's horrible. It's tragic.
Crazy, right?
I don't
What time is it?
understand. What's wrong?
Right now, 1 a.m.
Here. Now do you see what's
1:20.
wrong?
We forgot to
It's the
celebrate
4th of
Arbor
July.
Day.
No. The problem is I
Oh.
just finished planning my
That's even
schedule
worse.
for the month, but I forgot to leave
The
time to
trees
plan
will
for
start
next
attacking.
month. Don't you see? There's no
Oh.
time in my schedule to
I
put
thought
together
Spike
another
did that for
schedule.
you.
I could move my meeting with the Ponyville Hay
Oh.
Board to the following Tuesday, but then I have to
I know,
reschedule
guys.
my
She's
lunch
just
with
being
Pinkie Pie,
crazy, but-
and you know what a nightmare she is with scheduling. This is an absolute disaster. My whole year could be thrown off.
And I woke up from an ice cream dream for this.
My little pony, my little pony.
Somewhere in that dream is an innuendo, I swear to God.
I used to wonder what friendship
Okay.
would be.
Again, I'm sorry. I'm
Until you
sorry
shared its
for the
magic
whole...
with me.
It's just, I actually went into the settings and I like made sure that it checked with me before it updated. So hopefully, if we deal with this again, it won't be for a while.
Do you know you are my very best friends? Oh my gosh, I think
Did
I
she
did
not
it.
sleep?
If I can find a way to read the Art of Invisibility spells and Thornhoof's brief history of Canterlot at the
Art
same
of
time,
Invisibility.
that could give me a
I
half-hour
want to see
scheduling
that.
window. Huh?
Oh,
What's going
something's
on?
happening. Things are getting intense so quickly. I don't understand. Oh, damn. Okay, it's in the middle of the night. All of my lights are turned off, and there's only my computer. What the hell? So this is like blinding me right now. Hello, Half-Life.
Twilight,
No, not Half-Life.
you've got to listen to me.
Metal Gear.
Who are you? I mean,
Metal
you're me,
Gear
but
Solid
I'm me
Twilight.
too.
Why
How
haven't
can
we
be
met
two
before?
meters? It's not scientifically possible. You are not scientifically possible. Twilight, please. I have a very important
Neither is
message
magic.
for you from the future.
I mean,
You're from the future?
oh dear.
That's right. Now listen. What happened to you? The future must be awful.
This music.
Please, I don't have much
God.
time. Is there some sort of epic pony war in the distant future or something? Actually, I'm from next Tuesday morning. But that's
Someone
not
make that
important right now.
canon.
Can't
Someone
believe
freaking-
time travel is really possible. How did you? I figure it out. The time spells are in the Canterlot archives.
Oh my
But that's
god,
not
I'm so
even
happy about this.
Where? I've never seen
Ooh.
them. They're in the Star Swirl, the Bearded Wing.
I
Now
am
you have
happy
to
about
listen.
this.
Is time travel fun,
Oh.
or does it hurt? I have so many questions. I have something extremely important to tell you about the future, and I only have a few seconds, so you've got to listen. Whatever you do, Future Twilight? Oh no! What was she trying to warn me about? Her clothes, her mane,
Oh,
that
dear.
scar. What a mess she is. I mean, I am, or I will be.
A lot of things can
She
happen by
must want me to
Tuesday.
prevent whatever
I mean,
horrible thing happens in the future.
Come on, Fluttershy. The
I mean, how many
party
days
can't
did it
start
take for the
till
apocalypse to
everybody's
happen?
in there. Happy to.
Oh, Pinky. Oh,
Can I carry a balloon?
I don't know why, but I got a feeling that's revenge for the last episode. I would still be kind of mad.
Listen, every pony, I've got something really
That tuba.
important to say.
Dr. Hooves. Perfect.
This
Yeah.
is no laughing matter. We have a crisis on our hooves.
I still can't get over the concept of they have noses and they know what they are and that they exist. Like, I know they have noses. I mean, obviously.
This isn't a joke. My
But it's
future self
like-
tried to warn me about a horrible disaster. that's
Whatever.
gonna
You
occur
guys know what I'm
sometime
trying to
before
say.
Next Tuesday morning.
What kind of disaster?
I don't know. I got sucked back into
A
the
war.
future before I
An
could
epic
explain.
pony war.
Whatever should we do, Twilight? How do we stop the disaster if we don't know what it is?
We'll just have to work together
That
to
was
make
funny.
sure we're safe. Rainbow
That
Dash.
was funny.
You and the other Pegasi spread out over Equestria.
Baby-proof
and look
the
for
whole
any kind of
town.
problem that could lead to a disaster. And I mean anything. You got it. Every pony else?
Whoa.
Any pony else want to panic with me? No?
5 minutes. I need 5 minutes.
Every pony else. Time to disaster-proof Equestria.
Oh. Why don't we get Twilight and have her magic fix it again? I mean... I guess she can't put back what's not there. I mean... Basic alchemy. Where did they get the water to fill the water supply? I mean... Did they get it from the river? I don't... Oh. Ew. There was a band-aid in there. Is that varnish? Oh. I'm just curious, who, like,
Done and
does
done
Rarity,
and
like,
done.
do Pinky's
Applejack,
mane? Because how
what
did
about
they
the
get
other
it
three
so
forests?
perfectly, like,
Perimeter's clear.
Great.
blunt with the
My
way
team
it's,
gave
like,
the all
I
clear
don't know.
from Philadelphia to Las Pegasus.
Excellent. Well, we've done everything on the
Another
list.
thing, you talked with
Still,
yourself, and you
Future
actually,
Twilight
like,
looked like she'd been through a horrible ordeal. I just
Future
have this
Twilight
nagging feeling we
shoved
should be looking for
her
something
hoof in her
bigger than
face, so they
loose bolts and
touched.
leaky
There
pipes.
should be a race. No, not a race. Whatever.
Okay, every pony, follow my
That's a thing that happened. What the hell? What the hell is the dog doing away from hell? That is freaking Cerberus. What?
What is that thing?
That's Cerberus. He's supposed to be guarding the gates of Tartaros. But if he's here, then all the ancient evil creatures that have been
What?
imprisoned there can escape and destroy Equestria.
What?
Destroy Equestria?
That roof has
Yeah,
a strawberry
isn't it
on it.
great?
But
Hey,
still,
Cerberus,
Tartarus is
you
a
look like you
thing?
could use
That
some
brings up so
obedience
many
training.
questions.
Magic obedience training.
Hold on. Tartarus, obviously Hades, blah 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 blah. I get that now. But that brings up the concept of there being a pony version of
I
Olympus.
knew you were good with animals, but this is
And that also
amazing.
brings up the concept of Celestia and Luna. I mean, is Celestia Apollo and Luna is Artemis? I
Right,
mean,
Cerberus?
Who's a good boy? Who's a
just,
good boy?
I don't know. Somebody will figure it out for me. I don't understand this.
Yes, Twilight?
Do you have a ball I can borrow?
I have balls stashed all over Ponyville, in case of ball emergency.
Hey, Cerberus!
Okay. Sounds legit. More legit than anything else she said.
I'll be back as soon as I've returned him to the gates of Tartarus. Once he's back at home, there'll be no disaster.
Where are the gates of Tartarus? Just assume. Just guess. I mean, they considering the fact that she ran and she didn't like create a portal or.
I've had in weeks.
I'm assuming it's an actual location.
Hey, Twilight. How'd it go with Cerberus?
Great. I got him back before any of the evil creatures could escape.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh.
What's the big deal? It's just a lost dog flyer. I guess the princess hasn't heard we found Cerberus yet.
It's not that. It's this.
Oh dear.
A paper cut? Come on, Twilight. You really need to toughen up. Just clean it out and you'll be fine.
Future Twilight had
It's
that.
in the exact same spot as the scar on Future Twilight's cheek. We haven't changed the future at all. The disaster is still coming. If the disaster
Why?
wasn't caused by Cerberus getting loose,
I mean, can't you
then
just
what could
get
it possibly be?
like?
I don't know, but maybe you ought to give the pacing a rest. You've worn a groove into the floor.
I don't have time for another one of your lectures, Spike. This is serious.
My lectures?
I did everything I could think of to change the future, but it didn't work.
But seriously though, I don't understand. I mean, can't you just get the paper cut
Maybe it's what I
and
don't do.
not? I don't understand time. I'm sorry.
If I stand right here and don't move a muscle until next Tuesday, I can't possibly do whatever it is that Future Twilight wanted to warn me not to do.
Really?
What about food
So,
and water?
No matter what happens,
other
you're not
needs.
gonna move a muscle, huh? Then maybe you won't
Magic.
mind if I
Magic is inspiration.
eat an entire tub of ice cream.
I got a feeling that's not healthy because he's a dragon. Well, no, like,
Oh,
I don't know. Some people are saying that his fire is like a gift from Celestia for the sake of like letters, but I could have sworn I've seen him like call it fire and
that's
like,
Future Spike's problem.
and it has like the concept of, you know, burning
Twilight,
things.
another
So I'm
pegasus
assuming
just
there's
got back
fire
from
in his
Baltimore
system.
with
And
an
even if there
all-clear
wasn't fire in his system,
What's
just,
going on? Aren't you gonna
like,
stop him? She sure isn't.
I don't
In
know.
fact,
I have
she's
a
not gonna
feeling
move till
that
next
he's
Tuesday.
still like
She
a
thinks it'll prevent
cold-blooded
disaster
creature,
from
right?
happening.
If there's no fire in him,
Oh,
so I got a
this is
feeling that this
too
is
rich.
deadly, what he's doing.
Twilight, there's
I
a
don't-
mouse right behind you. Wait. Let me try.
She is not amused. Oh. Oh!
No!
What happened?
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. It was a total accident.
Show me.
I'm not
Oh,
so
dear.
sure that's a...
Show me. Oh no, this is the same main cut as Future
Oh.
Twilight.
You know, it really doesn't look too
See?
bad.
I
It
don't care
burns
how it
stuff,
looks.
so
It's just another sign
I
that
don't
the
know
future
how-
hasn't changed. Not doing anything didn't work either.
I don't know, guys.
Oh, I wish there was a way to know what was going to happen so I could stop it.
I don't understand,
the
like,
future?
can't some things happen but
I
other
know
things don't have to
someone
happen?
Who can help?
What's this?
Oh.
It's Madam Pinky's place.
Madam Pinky?
Pinky.
Enter the chamber,
Not surprised.
Madam Pinkie Pie, for the answers you seek.
Does she do this, like, every week or so?
The mystical orb of fate's destiny.
Do you like my mystical orb of fate's destiny? I just got it. Cool, huh?
Yeah, best one I've seen.
Look deep into the crystal ball, for soon
Wow.
it will
It actually does
reveal
look pretty cool.
all. Ah, yes, I see something. It is a vision of the future. I see you, Twilight. You will get a really cool birthday present next year.
Yes, and?
That's it.
Are you sure?
Yep, cool birthday present.
Huh.
Pinky, I need your pinky sense to tell me what the impending disaster is that Future Twilight was trying to warn me about.
Oh, my fortune telling has nothing
I told
to
you
do
it
with
works
my
like that.
pinky sense, silly. It's only good for vague and immediate events. Like that. See?
Oh!
Did that even
Where did
come
that come from? Oh dear.
La, 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 la,
When even Pinky starts questioning itself, you know it's
Gosh, I
bad.
haven't seen Twilight since the flower pot incident. Hope she still isn't mad.
It's so weird. Like, I'm starting to think of the relationship between
Off by
Pinky.
0.02 from yesterday. Carried the 15. Negative azimuth on the 14th moon.
Hey, Pinky.
Twilight's really serious about finding out about that cool birthday present, isn't she?
Who cares? As long as I can keep eating ice cream. Sorry, future Spike. Oh,
Someone needs
Are
to
you okay?
answer the question about
I'm glad you're
Spike
here.
eating ice cream,
Can you
because
help me
I swear
recalibrate
to
the
God
apertures
it's
on the
not
9¼
healthy.
catadioptric telescopes?
For him specifically.
Sure.
Like, I know that
So I was
eating ice
thinking,
cream isn't
after
healthy
I
in
came to
general,
see
but
Madam
still.
Pinky and the flower pot landed on my head. See the bandage? Just like the bandage from the future.
Nice!
I had an epiphany after that flower pot. Doing things didn't work. Not doing things didn't work. And I couldn't predict the future either. So I only had one other choice. Monitor everything.
Go crazy.
Makes sense to me.
Oh,
That way, no
dear
matter what happens in
God.
the future, I'll be ready. I thought I saw something last night in the Horsehead Nebula, but after staring at it for 3 straight hours, I realized I was wrong.
3 hours? But when did you sleep?
Oh
Oh,
dear.
I didn't sleep. I haven't slept since Future Twilight was here. There are only 3 days left until next Tuesday. I can sleep all I want after that.
you've been awake too long, Twilight.
Yeah, Tuesday's not 3 days from now. Tuesday's tomorrow.
Pinky, did you finish recalibrating the apertures on the 9¼ inch catadioptric telescopes?
I have no idea. Ow! My eye!
Whoa.
Sorry, Twilight. I have eye patches stashed all over Ponyville in case of eye patch emergency. There! Now you look like a pirate.
You should
A
probably
pirate
clean
with a
that.
really weird name cut.
The eye patch. Another sign. Nearly all the signs have come
Oh.
through. I haven't done a thing to prevent the catastrophe. If Tuesday's tomorrow and the disaster happens by Tuesday morning, then there's only one solution. I'll just have to stop time.
What? Wouldn't you technically... Nobody would notice the difference. Alright,
Okay,
Twilight's
Angela,
gone
archives are
full
right
on
over
old
there.
Snape.
Let's move.
I'm just saying. Is there like... There has to be fan art of this. She looks like Snake from
I
Metal
don't think
Gear
we need to
Solid.
sneak
I
around,
swear to
Twilight.
God.
It's not illegal to walk around Canterlot.
Guard! Come on, you guys.
I got a weird feeling he's going to... Oh.
That was close.
I
He
don't know
looks
why we have to
interesting.
wear these things either.
Aren't we wearing them for fun?
No, there's nothing fun about this.
Oh. Are you sure?
They're wearing them
Focus,
for
guys.
inappropriate
The
reasons.
only way to prevent this disaster is to stop time.
Honestly,
Time
how
stops
much
in the
fan
Star
art
World
is
bearded
like of
moon.
Twilight or
Most
Pinkie
secure
Pie
secure
in
the
those
archives.
outfits?
That's why we're sneaking around.
Awesome! That sounds fun!
No, it's not fun.
Aww. I still don't understand
Why
how
does Twilight
sneaking
not
into
have
the
the hood
archives
on?
is gonna help her find out about her birthday present.
The coast is clear. Now slowly lift me into the window so we can...
Ah. Oh, well now the hood is like gone,
Let's
so...
get this over with.
Spike looks weird. With such a round head. Flashlight spell. Practical. Ew. Okay, someone's going to slip on that, I swear.
Okay,
Wow.
if my calculations are correct, the star swirl the bearded wing
I have to say, Twilight's a little too skilled in
Twilight?
sneaking
What
around.
is it, Spike?
Isn't this where we came in?
Cool! Can we climb in the window again? That was super fun.
I don't understand. It's supposed to be right
Never
here.
mind.
How are we supposed to
But
find
still,
it
it's
now?
like, it's
Maybe we
weird.
should ask some pony in the
I got a
Star
feeling
Swirl, the
she'd done
bearded
this
wing.
before.
Huh. How'd I miss that? Look at all those
Ha.
priceless magic scrolls. There are more than I ever imagined.
Twilight, the card!
What do we do? What do we do?
Hide?
Hey, Twilight. Haven't seen you in a
Hi.
while. Let me
Oh.
open that for you.
Nice voice. Nice.
Thanks. Oh no! Look!
Well, yeah, you're Celestia's prize student. I got a feeling it wouldn't be that big of a
Last sign
deal.
has come true.
And that's bad, right?
Come on. It's almost almost Tuesday morning.
Man.
The disaster could happen at
Where
any
does he
moment.
keep getting
But how
that?
do you find the time-stopping spell? There must be a million scrolls here.
I don't know.
Jesus. I feel like they would have them like categorized or alphabetical or something. They're some of the more priceless scrolls in the history of Equestria. I got a feeling they wouldn't just throw them in there at random.
Twilight, it's over. It's officially Tuesday morning.
No! Tuesday morning, the disaster! Incoming!
I don't know, Twilight. I don't see any disasters. It looks like a pretty nice day.
That was
Good
anticlimactic.
morning, Twilight.
Not
Love
really,
the new
but-
hairstyle.
Oh,
Welcome
hi.
to Tuesday.
Why isn't
Okay,
everybody
bye.
surprised to see me sneaking around in here?
What the? What was the point
There
of
never
that?
Was a disaster?
She was like, there.
That I've just
Hi.
been making
Nice
myself
hair.
frantic over
Bye.
nothing?
What?
I don't get it.
Yes.
If future Twilight
And it was
wasn't warning you about a
wonderfully
disaster,
entertaining.
then
Thank
what
you.
was she trying to tell you?
Not to worry about a
I
disaster.
don't know, but I do know one thing. I look ridiculous.
Yeah, you do.
And it's all because I couldn't stop worrying and let the future handle itself. Well, not anymore. From now on, I'm gonna solve problems as they come and stop worrying about every little thing.
That's great. Does that mean there won't be any more late-night pacing?
No more late night pacing. If only I had learned this lesson a week ago, we wouldn't have had to go through all
I
this.
want to know, like,
I found something.
I have, like, because Pinky's in the episode, and to be fair, like, I'm pretty sure if they just changed the lines here and there, she didn't have to be in the episode. She
You're
has,
a genius.
she has a purpose of being here.
Now I can
So
go
I
back
have
and
an
tell past
idea
Twilight
that
she
I'm
doesn't
going
need
to talk
go
about
berserk
at the
with worry
end,
about a
and-
disaster that's never gonna come.
I like how she just
You've
does
got
it.
to listen to me.
Like, okay,
Who are you? I mean,
change
you're
the
me,
course of
but
time.
I'm me
Just
too.
do it.
How can there be two me's? It's not scientifically possible. You are not scientifically possible. Twilight, please. I have a very
That
important
face.
message for you from the future. You're from the future? That's right. Now listen. What happened to you? The future must be awful. Please, I don't have much time. Is there some
Are
sort
they
of epic
replaying
war
the
in
entire
distant future
scene?
or something? Actually, I'm from next Tuesday morning, but that's not important right now. I can't believe time travel
Still
is
can't get
really
over that.
possible. How did you? I figure it out. The time spells are in the Canterlot archives, but that's not really where. I've never seen them. They're in the Star Swirl, the Bearded Wing.
I'm
Now,
not
you have
even
to
mad,
listen to
because
it.
I'm
Is
pretty
terrible
sure
fun,
they're
or does it hurt?
reusing
I
the
have so
entire
many
scene.
questions
I'm
to
not
ask.
mad.
I have something
Because it's
extremely
from an
important to
entirely
tell you about
different
the
point of
future,
view, and it's
I only
brilliant.
have a few seconds, so you've got to listen. Whatever you do, don't waste your time worrying about. I can't believe I just
Does that
did
mean that Twilight's
Did you
stuck in a
tell him
permanent
cool
loop?
birthday present?
Remember last
No,
week
no,
when
because
future
she's
Twilight
like
came to warn
back
me
and
about
never
something?
mind.
That was
I don't
me
understand
trying
time.
to warn myself not to worry so much. Now I'm gonna spend the next week freaking out about a disaster that doesn't even exist. Ugh.
Aw, don't worry about it. It's past Twilight's problem now.
Nah.
I guess you're right, Pinky.
Yeah.
My stomach. I
Ugh.
think it's all that ice cream. I thought the stomach ache would be Future Spike's problem. But now I am
You are Future Spike, genius.
Oh.
Yeah. What? What?
Come on,
How do you
Future
not?
Spike.
Okay, whatever.
Let's get you home.
Okay then. Okie dokie, that was a Twilight episode, which was enough to make me pretty happy. I just, like, okay, before I forget, I want to say I'm sorry again for the late upload. on top of having to like refresh my computer and restart Windows and stuff, you know, on top of everything, my internet was also out for a day, so because my computer just didn't want to hook up to the internet, and it took me a while to figure that one out. And again, I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. And plus, I had to like download a new software. I had to download WinRAR because there was no way for me to get the software that I normally have to edit videos without that, and that was a pain. But I'm sorry, again, late upload, blah blah blah. I want to get done with season 2 before school starts in a week for me, so I want to get that done. Anyway, what's up in 19? Okay, first thing, before I forget, Twilight, Pinkie Pie, and Spike. I, like, halfway into the episode, I started wondering why Pinkie Pie had such a prominent role. Not that, you know, I don't want Pinkie Pie or anything, but it's just, it kinda, I started, like, questioning, you know, why she was there, because she just seemed to have such a big role for, like, no reason. And then I started thinking about it, and I'm like, well, Pinkie Pie, for some weird freaking twist of fate in this episode, seems like the freaking, what's the word? You know, using chemistry terms, it's the type of the experiment when nothing has changed, nothing's been done to it. What is it called? It's called something. What's it called? I can't think of it. I don't know what she is, but she's like the normal one. She's like, I don't know what it's called. Someone freaking tell me in the comments. I swear to God I know what it is, but I can't remember it. But yeah, she was like normal. Which is so weird because she's Pinkie Pie and she was freaking out and being hilarious in the beginning of the episode. And she had balls and eye patches just stashed around Ponyville for no reason. Or maybe she has reasons and we're going to learn about that later. Anyway, but yeah, she just seems like the middle ground. Is that the word? No, it's not. I don't think that's the word, but whatever. She's like, she understood time and she seemed nice. And then there's Twilight, who was like freaking out and paranoid and panicking about, you know, the future. And then there's Spike, who could care less. So yeah, like, I don't know. I think that's just me trying to put things in places where they shouldn't be, you know, that don't really need to be there. So sorry if I sound like an idiot. Again, and someone needs to answer me about the whole Spike eating ice cream thing, because, like, I figured if he was gonna eat any type of food, like, in that manner, it wouldn't be ice cream. It would be more along the lines of, like, you know, he eats jewels, but they're not in abundance. Like, not, like, food-wise. I think it would be, like, I don't know, cookies or something. Anyway, and yeah, it was a good episode. It was a really good episode. I don't know about you guys, but I swear to God, future Twilight, or present Twilight, I don't know, looked like freaking Snake from Metal Gear Solid. I'm not kidding. I don't play the game myself, but I've seen plenty of Let's Plays of it. She looks like Snake. She does. She looks like old Snake from Metal Gear Solid. There has to be fan art. There has to be. I'm not freaking, like, you can't just do that and not expect people to think it. It's not, I don't, whatever, I'm done talking about it. It's just me freaking being me, and, yeah. Oh well, I guess this is it. Again, sorry for the late upload. You know what, I'm actually, there's a reason why I can't do anything on Windows 8.1, and I'm probably, maybe if I don't forget, I'm going to leave a link in the description, because I found someone who seems to be having a similar problem to me, like, yeah, but I did exactly what she did, that she said fix the problem, and it didn't work with me. So maybe one of you guys had the problem as well, and fixed it on your own terms. So yeah, I'm going to leave a link
I'm not like anyone else, 'cause they